Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about the introduction to RxJS in Angular 19. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, in Angular applications, for managing the asynchronous operations like API calls, user events and the real-time data updates is crucial. RxJS reactive extensions for the JavaScript provides a powerful way to handle these scenarios by working with the streams of data. With Angular 19, RxJS continues to be a foundation tool for a reactive programming. RxJS is particularly powerful because it allows you to create and manipulate streams of data. A stream is a sequence of ongoing events ordered in time, like values emitted from a user input field or the data fetched from the server. These streams can be observed and then transformed using RxJS operators, make it easy to compose complex logic in a readable way. Angular heavily relies on RxJS for handling asynchronous operations such as handling HTTP requests, event handling, and managing the state changes. When working with the Angular, you will frequently use RxJS observables to manage the data streams, especially when interacting with the APIs. Why streams and RxJS matter. Imagine you are building a chat application. Messages from the users need to be handled as they arrive, potentially from multiple users simultaneously. Streams provide a consistent way to represent this continuous flow of data. RxJS allow you to process, filter, and transform these messages with minimal effort. Real life scenario. Considered an online auction platform where users bid on items in real time. Each bid needs to be broadcast to all the participants immediately. RxJS enables efficient handling of these updates without overloading the server or client by leveraging streams and reactive programming principles. In the next video, we are going to learn about the creating observables and handling the streams. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.